What's up, everybody? I went to Meijer earlier, and they had some of this jerky on clearance, and I figured we would do a little taste test, me and the wife here. The first one is venison, then buffalo, pheasant,
Save the last two.
and the last two are kind of out there, so we'll save those ones for the end of the video. We didn't grab anything to open these with. So we're gonna start out with the venison stick. Now all of these, it says they're combined with beef, but I mean, I just thought it was weird to find actual venison, buffalo, pheasant, jerky. So I think they were $1 a piece. I'm not a huge fan of jerky though. I don't know. Are you a jerky eater?
I mean, if it's good jerky,
Okay.
it has to have good flavor.
Well,
We're gonna find out today.
I can't get the stupid thing open. It is in there. Alright, first one up is the venison.
No! No!
Alright. Take it.
It's more squishy on the inside than normal jerky. Does that make sense?
Yeah. I don't mind it.
Other than that, I mean, it tastes is normal, like any other jerky that you get.
I could eat it.
Where's this a lot of jerky to go? Okay, good. We're not eating it all. That's great.
I figured we could stop there for a second. Oh god. Alright guys, next up is the beef and buffalo jerky. They package these things in here tight. I cannot get to it. Oh, come on. I broke the seal. Alright, now this one isn't like a stick. This is just like a big old ruler of jerky here. So we'll just...
I don't... Which one is it? This is the deer?
I'm going to use the scissors to cut it.
This is the deer jerky,
This
right?
is buffalo. We just ate...
Oh, we just did the deer.
There you go. Here's your piece of buffalo sadness.
It does not smell pleasant.
Hop in there.
Did you smell it? It smells like filth.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. The more you chew it, the more taste you get. It's pretty... It's bitter.
This tastes more like normal jerky to me. It's got that little bit of edge to it. I'm still not enjoying the smell.
I don't like the texture of it.
This is what jerky is. Jerky. Jerk. I like that better than the deer, the whatever.
And your venison stick?
Yeah.
You should not have had me be the one to open all of these. I will tell you one thing, I'm never going to want jerky again after this. Alright, like I said, guys, this is right here is the pheasant. And then the last two are kind of a surprise because you wouldn't expect that they would be made into, well, one of them. One of them you would not expect to be.
I swear this one has to be illegal.
Okay. So this is the pheasant stick.
That looks like a cartoon.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't smell it.
I have to smell it.
Don't smell it.
I have to smell it.
You're not going to want to eat it.
Can we just look at this for a second? This looks like Play-Doh jerky.
Just smell it.
Oh, it's so...
Babe, smell it.
Jerky's not supposed to feel this way.
Smell it. Dog food. Beef and pheasant.
You see how squishy it is?
Come on, Pink.
Oh, I'm just... Oh, God. Nope. Sorry.
It's not good. Oh, Lord. Okay. The texture of it, like right.
It was the texture. I couldn't do
Get
it.
out of there. It's so moist. Oh God. Thank you. Beef and pheasant. Not a thing. Okay. Time for the final two. Alligator. Alligator jerky is next. Oh, Lord. That pheasant. Oh. Sorry it made you do this, babe.
Did you think it might have to be cut that way?
What?
At the end where there's space?
No, see, that's how I've been cutting it, and I still fail to get the jerky. It doesn't want to come out. Don't question me right now. Okay. Time for the alligator jerky.
I'm excited for this. I feel like it's common, but I've never...
It looks like an alligator.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, look at that. This is literally just alligator scales. Like, they just... Oh, God. Okay. Ah, this one actually tore. The buffalo wouldn't break in the middle. Alright. Alligator jerky.
This does not have a displeasing smell. I probably need to get my teeth sharpened or something. I don't taste anything. Like, I don't taste anything. I acknowledge that it's there in my mouth and I'm chewing something, but I don't taste anything.
It might taste different than the other one.
I'm saying I don't taste anything at all. Like, I don't think there is a taste.
Wait, like
We're just eating chewable leather.
I was in poor taste. They make crocodiles into leather. So.
You know what I meant. It was nothing special.
It tastes like jerky.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't know. But the buffalo had a flavor to it. It doesn't make any sense why the alligator is just completely different. Alright, guys. The last one, the biggest one that I had to buy. Oh. Kangaroo jerky.
I swear that has to be illegal.
All right.
Why? What did we say that sounded like Cortana?
No, I don't even know. Cortana hasn't
And
worked.
Cortana's been broken for years.
Yeah,
Why did she decide to...
She's just like, oh, you guys are recording a video? I wanna play too. Alright, kangaroo jerky. I don't know how that's legal. Or how they made a kangaroo into jerky. But,
It just... it sounds terrible. This is gonna eat my.
Maybe you'll get part of the tail. No? Okay. Oh.
Like, you're being so disrespectful right now. Like, can we just...
What, to the kangaroo? Whoever put him in this little... Oh, Lord.
I think it smells good. It smells like normal jerky.
I'm not liking the smell.
Why did you... So, you don't like this smell. What was the one I couldn't stand?
Pheasant.
That smelled terrible.
That smelled like dog food.
No, not that one. The other jerky one.
Oh. Is that buffalo? Buffalo, yeah. I don't like how that smells. You ready? Yeah, put the side that you just had in your nose and your mouth. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, God.
I'm so disrespectful. I'm so sorry, kangaroo.
Alright, okay. Oh.
It's got some kick to it.
Ooh. Oh.
What do you like about that?
I don't know if I had a bad piece.
I could eat some kangaroo, man.
It was like I took one bite and then like this burst of flavor. It was like it was not good.
This has got a lot of flavor. I feel bad, but it's pretty good to me. This is the best one.
All right, well, you finish your kangaroo jerky.
I'm gonna pass. I mean, it's still a kangaroo.
I'm gonna turn off this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave in the comments what we should try next.